Hey, what's going on everyone? Some leaks about the Poco X3 has been surfaced online. So in this video, we will talk about the expected launch date and specifications of Poco X3. My name is Sovik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Poco X3 64 megapixel camera sensor has been confirmed by a company executive on Twitter. The new confirmation about the successor to the Poco X2 comes days after the rumor mill-tipped the same primary camera details of Poco X3. The new Poco phone will debut as the successor to Poco X2 that Xiaomi spun-off company launched in India in February. There aren't any details about the exact launch date of the Poco X3. However, considering the series of teaser releasing officially, it is likely to debut sometime in the near future. Angus Kai-Hong, product marketing manager and global spokesperson at Poco, has posted a tweet that confirms the 64 megapixel primary sensor on the Poco X3. The camera sensor is likely to use a pixel binning technique on images of 16 megapixel resolution to provide a 64 megapixel results. The executive posted a couple of images alongside the text confirming the 64 megapixel camera. One of the images provides a quick look at the camera interface of the Poco X3 that has features including a Pro mode with options to adjust aperture, exposure value, ISO sensitivity, and white balance. Earlier this week, Kai-Hong suggested 4 distinct designs of Poco X3 camera setup. He asked his Twitter followers to guess which of the given designs would be real. The images showing different camera setup designs highlighted 4 sensors at the back of the phone. The Poco X3 recently surfaced on the US FCC website that suggested a 64 megapixel primary camera sensor. The FCC listing also suggested artificial intelligence features on the phone to enhance its camera experience. Alongside giving details about the Poco X3 camera, Kai-Hong posted another tweet that compares the fast charging experience on the new smartphone with the Samsung Galaxy A71. That tweet also shows that the new Poco phone takes 65 minutes to 100% charge the built-in battery pack. The FCC listing of the Poco X3 suggested 33-watt fast charging support. However, the tweet posted by Poco's executive doesn't provide any details about the wattage. That being said, the Poco X3 is rumored to launch on September 8. The phone is tipped to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 732 SoC and come with a 120Hz display. So that is all we have got about this phone so far. We'll make a separate video whenever we got all the details about the Poco X3. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about the Poco X3 in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. See you guys in the next video. Peace.